Hello, my name is Sandhya and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to try a super easy paratha using paneer. The ingredients list is given in the description box below. If you've not yet subscribed to my channel, please click the subscribe button and the bell next to it. And do like, share and comment after watching the video. Let's have a look at the ingredients required for the paneer stuffing. I've got some paneer which I've crumbled and taken in a bowl. I've got some chopped onion. In here I've got chaat masala, some cumin seeds, grated ginger, finely chopped green chilies and coriander leaves, and a little bit of salt to taste. So we'll add all these ingredients into the paneer and let's just mix everything together. So the stuffing is mixed and ready. Let's keep this aside. Next we have to make the paratha dough, for which I've got whole wheat flour and some salt in this bowl. Let's add required water and make a dough out of it. So the paratha dough is ready. Now let's allow this to rest for 10 minutes. So the dough is rested for 10 minutes and I've made a equal sized ball of the paneer stuffing and kept it ready. I have my setup ready for the paratha. So we'll take a small ball of the dough, roll it nicely and flatten it into a peda. I'm going to dust some flour on it. And let's just roll it into a small round. Now I've got the stuffing ready in here. I'm going to keep it on the middle. Bring the edges together and pleat it like this. Flatten it again. Dip it in some flour. Now just press the edges like this. Now we'll gently roll it into a paratha. So the paratha is rolled and ready. Now let's put this on the tawa and cook it. So I've got a nicely hot tawa on medium flame. I've poured a little bit of oil on it. Now let's transfer the paratha onto the tawa. We'll cook it until brown spots appear on both sides and then remove it into a plate. Once it's browned from both sides, you can remove it into a plate. So the super delicious paratha is ready. You can serve this with some raita or any sabji of your choice. Do try this at home and let me know in the comment section. I'll see you next time with a new recipe. Until then, bye-bye.